Today we'll be continuing off of the key features of rational functions, specifically looking at the horizontal asymptote. Now, horizontal asymptote, just like a vertical asymptote, in the fact that it is an asymptote. However, instead of the imaginary line running up and down or being vertical, it runs side to side. What makes it a little bit harder, in my opinion, is we just can't set the denominator or the numerator equal to 0 and solve it. However, we have three different rules. Rule number 1, the horizontal asymptote is y equals 0 if the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of your denominator. Option 2, you do not have a horizontal asymptote. This happens if the degree of the numerator, or the degree of the top, is greater than or bigger than the degree of the denominator or the bottom of the rational function. Last but not least, you have horizontal asymptote, or y equals a over b, where a and b are leading coefficients, when the degree of the top or numerator is equal to the degree of the bottom or the denominator. To look at this, we can come down here and do a few examples. So what I want to do is degree of top is blah, and leading coefficient is this, and degree of bottom and leading coefficient. So the degree of my top, x squared plus 4x minus 5, is 2. Leading coefficient is the number beside the variable raised to the highest power, which is, we don't see it, so it's considered a 1. Degree of bottom, x squared plus 9x plus 20, is 2. Leading coefficient is 1. So, in knowing this, first thing you want to check is the degree of top is 2. Degree of bottom is 2. So, of the three options, is the degree of the top less than, bigger, or equal to? Well, since 2 is equal to 2, it will be the last option, y equals a over b, where a is the leading coefficient of top, b is the leading coefficient of bottom. So it'll be simply 1 over 1, and we get 1.